how you can stop App Store from asking password each and every time you download an app. Now, before I teach you guys how to do that, if you are new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So now let's get started. So the first step is just open up your settings. After you do that, just scroll down till you find screen time. After you're there, scroll down again and go to content and privacy restrictions. Now just turn this on, and after you do that, go to iTunes and App Store purchases. So right there you will see an option called require password. What you'll need to do is just select don't require. Now after you do that, you can just go back and toggle this button off, and after you do that, just go back to your settings. Now here what you'll need to do is go to your Apple ID settings, just tap on your Apple ID. After you do that, just select media and purchases. After you do that, I only have two options right here, but you'll have the third option that says password settings. After you tap on password settings, you will get an option that says, when purchasing and for free downloads. So when on free downloads, you'll just need to not select require password option, and after you do that, you won't be needing the password when you download an app from App Store. So yeah, that is basically it, guys. Thank you for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take